How to fix Pinterest app not loading on your Android. What's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix your Pinterest app not working. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new updates. Let's begin. So the first thing that you want to check is your internet connection, because if you do not have your stable internet connection, your Pinterest won't be able to load. So in that case, if you're using a mobile data, you might wanna switch to Wi-Fi network, and if you're using Wi-Fi network, try switching to mobile data. But if you do that and it still doesn't work, then open up your phone settings, head over to your apps, and here you just have to find your Pinterest. So go ahead and search for Pinterest here. I'm just going to scroll down to Pinterest, and once you get to your Pinterest, tap on it. Go ahead and check your storage and clear any cache if there are any. And now all you have to do is tap on the permissions. Make sure all of these permissions are allowed, and then give your phone a quick restart and your problem should be fixed. If you found this video helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next one.